What's up guys, and welcome to What's Up Wednesday. Today we're going to be reviewing a really hyped up product, and I'm hoping that it does work out well for me. I have been testing it, so I kind of know that how it works, but I'll let you know at the end of this video because I am going to do a wear test for you, because I don't want to just push this product down your throat and tell you, oh my god, just over the hype. I want to make sure that it actually works. It claims to be, it proves its claim basically. So what we're going to be reviewing is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Setting Powder. As you can see, the packaging is so pretty. It's the same standard packaging pretty much that she has for all of her Fenty products. And then this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Concealer. So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to take it out of the package and go from there. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Victoria. Sorry I didn't mention that. But if you're new here, just make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure that you turn on the post notification bell so that you are up to date with all of my posts. Let's get on. It's kind of hard to get out, but okay. This is the packaging. It's kind of like the Fenty foundation, pretty much exactly the same. It has that glass bottle, and here is the applicator. It's a nice doe foot applicator. It's pretty small, or actually no, it's pretty large, and I love applicators like this. So this is very promising. Yeah, but the packaging is really nice. It's sturdy, it's really pretty, it's small, which is cool. And I wanted to read the claims on this concealer. So they're saying it's a creamy, long-wear, crease-proof liquid concealer with light as air, medium to full coverage that brightens under eyes and conceals blemishes and redness. They're free of parabens and phthalates. This product is also cruelty-free. So they come in 50 shades, which is really nice. And what I really enjoy is that if you can't get to the store, if you know your Fenty shade match in the foundation, they have the shade for you. So that's what I did. I didn't go into store, I ordered it online, and I'm 310 in the foundation. It might be a little light for me, but you know, I just went with what I knew, and this is 310. So this is 310 in the concealer, and it is much lighter, as you can see, so it does balance out nicely. The next thing that we're going to use is, or the next thing I'm going to open up is this setting powder, and this is really nice. It comes with an extra little sifter here, which is cool. And the packaging, oh, there it is. It's beautiful. Look at it. It's so luxurious. It's really nice. Let's see. And it has a sifter here and a little like sticker thing so that the powder stays in there during travel. And I usually just remove this because I don't ever keep these things on. I don't know why they bother me. But yeah, so this is how it is. You have the little Fenty Beauty logo there, and let's see how it comes out. It's really finely milled. Oh yeah, it comes out really nicely and super easy, because sometimes it's hard for it to get through those little tiny holes that they give you in the sifter, but that seems to be coming out nicely. And the claims for this are that it's a super fine, weightless, loose setting powder in 8 sheer shades to perfect and extend makeup wear for a filtered, photo-ready finish on lock. Ingredient callouts is this product is cruelty-free. So there is a shade for everyone. I went with banana because I know that that's something that I would use on the regular anyway. Usually all my setting powders I get banana, but they said that the range that I was in would have been cashew, I believe. No, wait, was it cashew? Yeah, it was either cashew or honey. So one of those two for the 300 range. But I guess that's to set all over, because I don't know if I would put that dark of a powder underneath the eye. So I just went with banana, like I said. They do have another powder that's a lavender powder that's supposed to brighten. So I think that's the next one that I will use if I do like this product. So yeah, I decided since we're doing Fenty, I'm just gonna do a full face of Fenty. And actually the only thing that I'm not gonna have that's Fenty is obviously they don't have brow products, they don't have mascara, they don't have lashes. And what else? They don't have blush or bronzer. They just have cream sticks. I don't think that they have a bronzer, honestly, so I'm just gonna use different products for that. But I am using the foundation, I am using the match sticks. I have to mix together Truffle and Caramel to get a nice contour shade because Truffle is a little bit too dark for me, but I'm also going to be using them in my eye look, so definitely going to be using that. I'm going to be using the primer. I actually have samples of those, so I'm just going to use that. And then also the Fenty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. This is so beautiful, I love it. So whenever you are at Sephora, you can always ask for a sample. So I would definitely ask for a sample of whatever shade it is, or the concealer. I don't know if they give you concealer samples, they might. And they definitely give you foundation samples. So definitely try it out, see if you like it before you go ahead and purchase it. So now I'm just gonna fast forward until I get to the concealer so you could just kind of see me applying everything else. But I'm not going to, I'll just list the products down below. And yeah, I'm gonna come back to talk about how I felt it applied and things like that. And then I will see you later at the end of the day for a follow-up. So you're zoomed in just so you can see how everything applies. Like I said, once I'm finished with my makeup, I'm gonna come back and let you know how it applied, how I think it matches to the claims. And I'm also gonna be working out later, so it says it's sweat proof, so let's see if that's true. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna check in probably around 9ish with, hopefully the lighting is good at that time. I'm trying to use natural light right now just so that you could see the full effect of the foundation and the concealer and all of that. So yeah, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back and I applied everything, and to be honest, it applied really nicely. It was a bit thick, so I would definitely use a damp beauty blender for it. I don't know if I would use a brush. And it did give me a nice like medium coverage. I don't think it's full coverage unless I would have really built it up, which, you know, I didn't want it to get cakey under the eyes or anything like that. So I left it with 2 coats and I think it looks decent. I got some, oh, it's a little glitter here, don't mind that. I got some of that rum shade over here, so I'll wipe that off later. But yeah, overall, I think it looks really nice. It looks really nice with the foundation, and the setting powder was really nice. It kind of blurred out all of my pores, and it gives you like a really flawless finish, as you can see. And then obviously I love the Diamond Milk Trophy Wife, and I use the matchsticks for my eyeshadow. And they do crease a little bit, but it's nothing that if you wanted to add an eyeshadow over top, it'll set it in place. But I really like the colors, so I just kind of always use those matchsticks on a quick get ready with Fenty. So yeah, and then I put Trophy Wife on the outer corners and as a highlight, and I really like the way that this looks. So I will check in with you later on today. Hopefully it does wear nicely. And yeah, I really like the way that this look was put together. Okay guys, this is my first check-in and we are 5.5 hours into this review. I'm trying to get like some natural light. Okay, so as you can see, I do look a little bit oily, and I think that, let me zoom you out. This is my boys' bathroom, because they have the best lighting. So yeah, I think it looks good. It looks really nice. I don't know if you could see, I'm gonna try to zoom you in. Okay, if you could see there, I usually have really bad pores in this area. And I actually, this looks really good compared to what it usually is. Here I am getting you up close and personal. In this area, it's usually already broken up by now. And as you can see, I just kind of have this flawless look still going on, and it does look greasy, but that always happens with anything that I use, no matter what I use. I'm just naturally like sweating and oily, so that's fine. What I'm gonna do, the highlight is still popping. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna use some more of that Fenty powder, add it to my T-zone, and then the next check-in that you see me in, I will be, my gloss obviously is gone. So yeah, my gloss and stuff is gone, obviously. It's 5 hours later, but yeah, the next check-in will be after I work out, so you'll really see if it's sweat-proof. It's not oil-proof, but I haven't sweat. I mean, I don't have any sweat or anything like that, but it still looks nice for being kind of oily. It's not sticky, it didn't transfer anywhere, so everything that's on me was on me this morning. And yeah, I really like it. I really do like it. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so this is my last check-in and it is almost 9:30. So I've had this on for a full 12 hours, I want to say. And I retouched with the setting powder at around 5:30. So yeah, I think that this foundation and this, I mean the foundation I know holds well, but the concealer and everything else, I'm gonna zoom you in. So my lip stuff went away. And I just wanted to show you here on my chin, the concealer kind of went away, but that is so normal because I normally like go like this, or I'm rubbing here, or you know, it's rubbing off on my clothes, things like that. So that is very normal, and that's the only place where it seemed to have broken up in, and that's more so rubbed off. It did kind of cling to some dark patches, not dark patches. It did kind of cling to some dry patches here in this area, but nothing that was so noticeable like some of my other foundations and concealers. it held the highlight so nicely. Do you see this? I did do like a really quick low impact cardio workout at home again, so I wasn't really super sweaty, but I do notice that it is a bit oily. I want to try to get you as close as possible. All right, so as you can see, I told you that the pores in this area are usually really out there and open, and they are not. As you can see, it kind of is gone on the tip of my nose, but that's normal. That's just the ring light, that little circle there. But that is normal. And then here again, it's a little bit porous, but nothing crazy like I usually have. In this area, it did break up under the nose, but that's so normal. And then over here, you do see the pores, but it's nothing super crazy. Like, I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you other wear tests. Like the ColourPop foundation stick was horrible. That just broke up like crazy. But here, as you can see, it's still on everywhere. And it looks really, really nice. I'm gonna show you my chin. So you see this like dry area right here. It didn't settle in here. It just kind of, like I said, rubbed off from doing everything that I was doing. So underneath my eye, I don't have any creasing. Oh my God, I didn't even realize that. Yeah, I have barely any creasing there. And yes, that is barely because I usually have a significant amount of creasing. So all in all, I really do like this concealer, and I love the setting powder. I would say if you need to pick one of the two, I would go with the setting powder, because I think that the setting powder is what filled in all of the pores and like kind of just made everything really nice. And I layered the powder. So remember, I did touch up with that same powder and it was great. So this is how it looks. So I realized that I forgot to mention the sizes of the products. So the setting powder has 28 grams. So it is quite a bit. It's not quite an ounce. It's 0.202 off of 1 ounce. But I wanted to just show you what it is compared to some of these other things. And the Maybelline Fit Me from the drugstore, this is 20 grams, so 0.7 ounce. So you're getting more than you get in here. And this I've had for such a long time, so this will last you a while. And then the Sacha Buttercup powder is 1 ounce. And again, I barely have, and I use this a lot, and I barely have like reached the bottom of this. So definitely a recommendation. Packaging alone is gorgeous. It's worth the $38 that I spent. And they have so many different shade ranges, which is beautiful, which I love. And then now for the concealer. This is 0.27 fluid ounces. And just to compare it to Tarte Shape Tape, Tarte Shape Tape is 0.338. So it's a little bit less, but the packaging again is the winner. And then Makeup Revolution, which you guys have seen on my channel a lot, is 0.14 ounces. So it's a lot less than this. It's a lot more than this, just a little bit less than this. So for the packaging though, it's gorgeous. It's really nice. It's a really nice formula, as you'll see next. It's long wearing, so definitely worth the money. Compared to Tarte Shape Tape, I think this is $28 and this is $26, so $3 less. It kind of is comparable to how much product you get. Again, this is 12 hours. This is like way long. Usually I'm pretty sure like if you're gonna go on a night out, it might be like 6 hours, or if it's a work day, maybe 8 hours, something like that. So this is for a full day. It's really popping. Like, this is what is up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for trusting me. This is a really nice concealer and a really nice setting powder. I would definitely recommend it. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.